This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. This beautiful townhome features an open floor plan with living dining combined. Kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, huge island and lots of cabinet space. 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms located upstairs. Half bath is on first floor. Nice sized gated backyard. Zone Cyfair ISD. This home will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.